National forward Leon Bailey has angered the JFF President Michael Ricketts with comments he made recently about the Federation and the national coach Theodore Whitmore. As Daniel Blake reports, the German Bundesliga star could be sanctioned for his views.
Last Saturday, Reggae Boys forward Leon Bailey on an Instagram Live with 876 Stream said the Jamaica Football Federation would be the downfall of the team if they didn't qualify for the 2022 World Cup.
The biggest problem we have, I'm experience it with the Federation. Them are the only people we're not going to make it. Because the team we have can make it.
So what kind of adjustment you would have said the Federation need to make?
Me not going to get into them details because I'm just a player or whatever. But me I put it out here to make you know that if we win a reach World Cup, because of the Federation.
However, President of the JFF Michael Ricketts didn't take kindly to Bailey's comments.
Why is he saying this? And what are your problems? Why haven't you said to me, say to the GS, say to a vice president, that I think we're having a problem in this regard. I think my father ought to be the coach, or I think Ricketts ought not to be the president. Tell us what you think the problems are, and let us try and have them resolved. Rather than just arbitrarily just make these unfounded comments. We can't do anything to prevent them from going to the World Cup, because we're going to do whatever we can do to assist the process. But they, the players, must execute when they go on the field. I can't score a goal to win a game, but we will certainly do what we can do.
The 22-year-old also seemed to have questioned the approach of national head coach Theodore Whitmore to squad selection.
You got a World Cup with that team. We play qualification with that team. And every time you see 5 to 6, 7 different new faces of the team. But I say them not get a chance, But I say give people a chance. If you are prepared for your World Cup, brother, you need to prepare a team who can understand each other. If you want to bring in people, fine. In a small number, don't call 6, 7 big over and main man them and bring in 7 new faces. No, and that's how you work, brother.
But Ricketts was once again on the defensive.
I mean, that borders on being rude, because Whitmore is, by and large, one of the most successful coaches, not even in Jamaica, around the Caribbean. And obviously these youngsters don't understand themselves, because you don't criticize your coach openly. If you have issues with your coach, then sit with your coach and express your dissatisfaction. But ask him what is the problem with Whitmore. I'm sure he can't tell you, because to say that Whitmore in chopping and changing is an unfair comment, because that is not true.
And Bailey could find himself in hot water in the near future.
As part of a contractual arrangement, players ought not to make these comments. And of course, it has been referred to the disciplinary committee. Let's see what will happen.
Are you saying you're a hands-off president? You wouldn't be insisting or trying to direct the committee?
No, I wouldn't do that. In as much as I'm upset with him, he's really a nice youngster. I don't know what would have provoked this kind of comment, which is not justified at all.
Ricketts was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill with Simon Crosskill. Bailey, who made his debut for the Reggae Boys in June 2019, has 6 caps and 1 goal so far for the national outfit. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.